Hey guys, what's up? It's JRP77 from JG Games, and in this quick tip we will be talking about loops. I'm preparing a tutorial about enemy AI, and since the script we will be making will basically be using these functions over and over and over again, I decided to go ahead and explain how these work. Now before we get started, the structure of all these loops are the same. The type of loop followed by the conditions for the loop to function in parentheses. Now the first of these is called if statements, sometimes called if-else statements. If statements are the most basic of these three loop statements, and the idea of these is simple. If the conditions are met in the parentheses, call the line of code below. If not, then skip these lines. Sometimes you'll see an if statement followed by an else and set up in the same way as an if statement is. This is a fallback function. If the conditions are not met in the if statement, then they'll call the lines of code below. It saves you from having to write an if statement for every possible condition, and rather just use this if none of the conditions have been already defined. These are useful for scenarios like checking to see if a boolean has been triggered, or if a number is equal to another number. The next is the for loop. For loops are set up the same as if statements, but usually seen with the following statement: int I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to variable I++. This basically goes through a list and triggers the lines of code below on every object that meets the conditions. These loops are generally used when sorting through a list, where I is less than the length of the array. Finally, the for each statement is the third loop we will be using. The conditions for each statements are type variable in variable2 array. This is useful for going through a list of components on a bunch of objects. For example, if we wanted to get all of the rigid body components from our array called rigid bodies, we would write for each rigid body rigid in rigid bodies. This would go through all of the objects and apply the following lines of code inside the statement to all of the rigid bodies in the array. Alright, so this is a really quick rundown on loops in Unity. I know this is only about a 2-minute long video, but what do you guys think? Did I explain these right? Is there something I could have said differently? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I apologize for my horrible upload rate recently, but new tutorials are on the way, guaranteed. If this video sucked, then you know what to do, but if it didn't, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check out our website, social media, and merch, as well as join our Discord server. It's basically a game development community where we talk back and forth and we can provide help for your game. All those links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.